Hi everybody, it's Mare at the Caterpillar Academy. I'm just here missing everybody. It seems quiet and it's not the same without all my little friends there, but I thought that I would take time to read you one of our favorite stories and send it to you, and that way we can pretend that we're all still at school together enjoying the stories in the books. So the first one I'm going to read is The Fire Engine book, one of our favorites. Here we go. Ding, 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 ding goes the alarm. The fireman slides down the pole. Clang, clang, clang goes the fire engine bell. Let's see if we can see it. There it is. There's another bell. The chief is on his way. That's the chief's car. It says fire chief on it. Here they come. Let's count the firemen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Watch out, make way for the hose car. That's the hose car right there with the spout and all the hose. Hurry, hurry, jump up the hook and ladder truck. He hasn't put his jacket on yet. There they go, there's the bell. The people come running out to see the great big hook and ladder truck. That truck's so long that they have to have a driver in the back and the front. Here they are at the fire. The fire chief tells his men what to do. You, go do this. You, go put out that fire. Quick, quick, connect the hoses. Shh, goes the water up into the burning building. Crank, crank, up go the ladders. Up go the firemen with their hoses. Chop, chop, chop go the axes. Crash go the windows. Wow, it's a lot of fire. Down the ladders come the firemen. They jump into the net to save things from the fire. I see a bicycle, a cuckoo clock, a cello, a guitar, a saxophone. Wow, lots of instruments coming out of there. Oh, and a drum, and a puppy. Sput, 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 out goes the fire. Tired firemen and people go home. Hooray for the brave firemen. The end. See you soon. Love you.